Next is Imarpigmiut Togiak dancers.
Good afternoon. While we're setting up, I just want to quickly say it is an honor and we are so happy to be back. The last time we performed at Cama-i was in 2002. So we are happy to be back. And I just want to give a shout out to these kids. These kids have made it happen for us to be here. I could not give them enough credit. They have stepped up. We've only been, this group you see up here, we've only been dancing together since October. So these kids, they have it, they love it, and I'm just so proud of them. I just want to quickly say Kuyana to Linda Kurda. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you, Kachung, and everybody that made it happen for us to be here. I just want to say Kuyana for having us, and it's good to be home, and I hope we get stuck.